The last 90-degree elbow to be discussed is the mitered elbow, so let's have a closer look. A mitered elbow, as in this example, is not an actual fitting that is purchased, but is instead a field fabricated band in the routing of the pipe configuration. In general, mitered elbows are used on 24-inch and larger pipe sizes. They are much less expensive to fabricate at the job site than to purchase a manufactured elbow and have it shipped to the job site. The mitered elbow is actually made by making angular cuts through a straight run of pipe and then welding the pipe back together after the cut sections have been rolled at varying angles, as depicted here. A 90-degree mitered elbow can be fabricated in 2, 3, or 4 welded sections, as you can see here. The number of welded sections depends on the smoothness of flow needed through the turn. A 2-weld miter will create more fluid turbulence within the pipe than will a 4-weld miter. Now, although 1-weld miters, as the one you can see here, are used, they are rare and are typically reserved for 30, 45, 60, or 90-degree turns. Finally, the following figures show the single line and double line drawing symbols for mitered elbows. Notice here that, unlike the previous elbows, the weld dots and weld lines in the adjacent orthographic views of the mitered elbow are represented by ellipses. Ellipses are used because the welds are not perpendicular to your line of sight. Therefore, when projecting from the front view to any of the 4 orthographic views, the welds must be drawn elliptical in shape.